Hello class, good morning. Today we are going to learn about the spindle box. Do you know what a spindle box is? It helps us to count the numbers. Let us see how it works. For today's activity, I have thought what we're going to do is we have the numbers here and we have cute birds and animals beneath the numbers. Correct? So we have birds and animals beneath the numbers. To these birds and animals, we are going to give them what? We will give them ice creams today. Is it not exciting? Come on, let us see who is going to get how many ice creams. So, to begin with, owl. Owl is going to get 0 ice creams. Or, do you know what 0 is? 0 means nothing. So, when I say 0 ice creams to owl, it means that owl is not going to get any ice creams. But let us see how many ice creams are the friends of the owl going to get. So, kitten. We have a cute kitten. You know what is a kitten? It is the child. It is the baby of a cat. So, the kitten is going to get 1 ice cream. How much is this? 1. So, we are going to give kitten 1 ice cream. Okay, I've put in 1. Moving ahead, we have a monkey. You know where we find the monkeys? They're usually on the trees and they roam around everywhere. Monkeys are going to get 2 ice creams. Okay, so let us count and give. Ice cream number 1 for the monkey. I'll put it in its box. And ice cream number 2 for the monkey. Okay, I've put it here. Moving ahead, we have a parrot. You know what parrot loves to eat? It loves chilies. But for a change, today we are going to give parrot ice creams. How many ice creams are we going to give to the parrot? It says 3. So, let us give parrot 3 ice creams. So, this is ice cream number 1. Put 1. Then ice cream number 2. 2 goes in. And then ice cream number 3. 3 is here. I've put all 3 ice creams for the parrot. Now moving ahead, we have a dog. You know who is the...
कुछ भी मैं तो ऐसे बैठी थी अभी फिर से करना पड़ेगा
नहीं वो पॉज करके